Do you struggle with getting organized? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to continue our mini motivation series here on Get Organized with Jodi. Hi, I'm Jodi Granok. I'm a certified professional organizer with over 15 years in the field. And today we're going to continue our mini motivations with Jodi series by talking about episode 3, Always Be Carrying. ABC can stand for lots of things. There was a famous movie where ABC stood for Always Be Closing. Of course, there's the famous Jackson 5 song ABC, but in this case, we're talking about ABC as Always Be Carrying. When it comes to getting organized, there is the getting organized part and there's the staying organized part. And when you're talking about staying organized, it involves developing habits to help you maintain what you've already organized. And always be carrying is an easy concept to remember and to help you stay organized. What's it about? Well, it's pretty simple. Always be caring just means that anytime that you are going from one space to another, whether you're moving around in your office space, whether you're moving around in your house, look for something that you could take with you that belongs in another place. You're doing a reset and a refresh whenever you travel around your home or office. How do you get started on that? Well, you can try making a game out of it. So, challenge each person in your office or in your family to look around before you leave a room and can you find at least one thing that needs to go somewhere else and take it with you when you go. And before you know it, your space will be tidier and you will feel more in control. You're just going to take it one step at a time. ABC, always be carrying. When you go from one place to another, look for things that can be taken to the next place you're going to help reset and refresh a space. That's it. It doesn't have to be hard to get or stay organized. I encourage you to visit organizingmagic.com for more organizing resources, including information on our free e-newsletter and monthly Zoom webinars, which are also free. And remember that new videos drop every Friday. So be in the know and click like and subscribe before you go so you never miss a single video. I'll see you next time.